Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to withdraw money from Binance to bank account in UAE. So let's dive into it. So one of the best methods for you to be able to withdraw money from your Binance to your bank account in UAE is to open the Binance app and on the website, or sign in into your Binance account using the mobile app. Then from there, go to your withdrawal. So for you to do that, from the home screen, tap or click withdraw and choose the AED if you are withdrawing the local currency. From there, you have to select the bank transfer, which is AED or another available local bank payout option. Then after that, you have to type in the amount you want to withdraw. So if it's your first withdrawal, enter your UAE bank account details, which is your IBAN and your account name. Then reveal the details and confirm the withdrawal. So funds usually arrive in your UAE bank account within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank network. And that's how you can easily withdraw money from Binance to bank account in UAE. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more videos.